Hi, Sebastian from RealEye here. In this video, I'd like to show you a sample product study and our findings from the recent tests. In this study, I created a store shelf image and some close-up images of the individual products, followed by a survey with the images themselves. Okay, let's take a look at the results. Before we do that, just remember that you can add any image here. It could be a photograph of an actual shelf in the physical store. You can analyze the results by going into the aggregated results of individual images or accessing the individual participants' data by selecting them from the participant list. Let's take a look at the aggregated results. So we're going to click on heat maps by this image here. And now we can see that all the tests are combined, meaning we have all the data aggregated. However, you can choose particular results of each exposure. This also means that one participant can have multiple exposures to one image. There are more filtering options here on the left. You can select the data quality, add additional tags, or focus on specific exposures. So, for example, if one participant had 10 exposures, you can only focus on the first three by entering the numbers here. You can also filter by gender, age, source of the participants, and so on. On the top, you'll find more options. So you can select the stimuli, and then you can select the particular image that was in the test, as well as the heat map. So you can review the moves and clicks pattern. Can focus on the clicks only. You can also change it to a view map, so the rest of the image will be grayed out, and a fog map. Furthermore, you will find the size of the actual points, shadows, so the blur, and the opacity. So after selecting all the features of the heat map, we can then go ahead and replay the gaze patterns, and you can see where your participants looked while we were performing the test. So another useful feature are the areas of interest, and you can simply add them by clicking on the image and holding your mouse and selecting the area. You can then save the AOI, give it a name, blue, and you will see the metrics only for this particular area. Another aspect here is the ability to select multiple areas of interest. So you can see the metrics for these areas combined. So if you want to focus only on the blue product, you can then select the specific areas of interest from the list here. And the last feature I want to show you is the survey that you can add at the end of the study. You can see the survey results. The survey that I used was one with images. So I asked my participants which product is their favorite. You can see that only one participant answered. And yeah, it gives you the freedom to add pretty much anything here. And you can also combine the data from the survey with the results of the heat maps.